What's up, internet marketers? It's IPassive, and today I'm gonna give you 3 free ways to make $100 a day without a list, launching a product, or content writing. Okay, so really important. Today's methods are micro launch hunting, billboarding pinning or pin, and vid type targeting. Okay, I'm gonna explain what each of these methods are. Don't forget, watch the video until the very end, so I'm gonna teach you how to fast track to your success, right? You want to get there faster by following my advice and my information. Also, the pros of these methods is simple to do and it's very low competition. The cons are it requires action. You just can't sit on this information. You got to use it, and you can start today for free. Okay. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button for more notifications, more videos just like this. The first method I want to explain is the micro launch hunt. Okay, this is not launch jacking in the traditional sense. Launch jacking is overly saturated now. If you're a newbie and you're starting launch jacking, you're in for a rude surprise because your video or your post will not get traffic probably. Okay, once you get some of these micro launches under your belt, then you'll be able, once you have an online presence, then you can go after the bigger fish. Okay, so first thing you want to do, first rule of thumb with micro launch hunting is avoid the left side of Munch Eye. So Munch Eye is a free source where you can find out all the product launches that are gonna come out in the near future and beyond, right? So big launches, stay away from, because there's a lot of heavy hitters already targeting those launches, and you have to go up against them, and it's really difficult. Okay, so you want to stay on the right side here. Avoid any yellow highlighted offers. Okay, and you want to go and you want to check out offers that have very little reward money. Okay, so what I mean by reward money is on the JV page. A lot of times, these big affiliate vendors, these big product vendors, they will give out big rewards for people who hit the top of their leaderboards, for people who have the most sales, right? And if you can find products, affiliate products that have very little rewards at the top for the top placements on their leaderboard, or if they have a lot of conditions for those prizes, then those are the ones you want to target, right? So it says here, first place $500. This is a pretty good one, but check it out. Contests based on total gross sales and minimums based on total number of sales. So this is a condition, right? So you can only claim this reward money if you've matched the sale amount, right? Now, the thing is, a lot of the bigger vendors, they don't have minimums, so that they're going to attract all of the other affiliates, right? So this is, for example, a good product you might want to focus on. Okay, so an example is one that I just released. I made an 11-minute video for Augmented Reality Empire. It's a really good product. I like it, and it fits into this category. It fits into this category of a micro product launch, right? It's not overly hypey. There's not a ton of affiliates going after it. So if you scroll down, you can see that I ranked number 1 for this product, right? I reviewed it, and also I have a higher likelihood of getting a review copy for these micro launches, I should say. So you have a higher likelihood of getting review copy. You just go to Munch Eye, and they usually have contact information. Let's go with this guy here, Hugh Hughes, for example. You go to the JV page, and you can contact them direct. See, this is this guy here, for example. You can find him on Facebook. Contact him direct, for example, if he meets our criteria, and ask for a review copy. Now, for example, this one here, first prize $150. This is very small amount. So this example of a product, this will not be getting a lot of affiliates. Okay, so you might want to focus on this, for example. Okay, so the basic rule is stay away from the bigger affiliate products stay away from these big vendors if you're just starting out, because you won't get seen. I could almost guarantee that. Okay, if you stay with the smaller products that are being launched, you have an easier chance, just like with this video, to rank to the top with very little SEO, with very little backlinks and any of that. Okay, and of course you want to create a page, a review page. Check this out, where you review the product and you incentivize with bonuses. Now, the beauty about this, these are all my bonuses, for example, and but I didn't specify, or I didn't create specific bonuses for this launch. I just added bonuses that I've created before. These are bonuses that I've worked that I know work, but they're not specified to this particular product. Usually with a bigger product launch, you're gonna wanna specify the bonuses to that product so that you have higher chances of conversion, right? So that's another key benefit of this method. You can add bonuses that you've created already, okay? Even if you want, you can add PLR bonuses. I don't do that, so that's up to you. I like to add bonuses that are actually mine, that I created myself, but that's up to you if you want. Okay, that's method number one. Method number two is billboard pinning. Okay, billboard pinning is what I've coined this. Okay, so I've played with billboard videos, Pinterest videos in the past, and I'm finding now that you want the vertical style of video pins. Okay, you want it to look like a actual billboard. So you see here at the very left of my Pinterest video section here, I have this pin running in the background. Of course, it's SEO optimized because Pinterest is a search engine. If you don't have my free Pinterest keyword tool, I have a link to it down below. So for example, work from home. Okay, work from home. Here are many keywords. This is how people search for on Pinterest for work from home opportunities, right? So I created this video pin, okay? Vertical video pin. What I did was I went to Canva and I created dimensions of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels, right? This is basically the size of a vertical mobile video, okay? And then I just had one part of it static, the very top, the headline. Make sure it's catchy. Make sure it appeals to your audience, to your target audience. So for this example, work from home moms, right? So the top part is static, and you'd create it just like you would any other Pinterest pin, right? You have the templates here, add them to the back here, and then in the middle, you're gonna want a catchy headline. Now the difference is I leave the bottom half empty. Why? Because I'm gonna animate it with video. Now it sounds overly techy, but it's not. I use Filmora. Now Filmora is it's not free. It's a paid video editor. They have a ton of stock elements, stock animation, stock music. You can use stock titles, and you just drag and drop, just like you would with Canva. Filmora does that with video. You just create your video and you add it to your Pinterest account. Of course, you want to make sure that your description, one second, let me show you. You want to make sure that your description is SEO optimized. Again, use my keyword tool, my free keyword tool here. And then after that, you're going to want to actually either you want to add your affiliate link or your bridge page. Really important stuff here. You want to add your affiliate link or bridge page. This is a new pin I just created. That's why there's only one view. But if you go back here, you can see that I've again, Pinterest is really promoting the hell out of videos. I got this funnels kit that had over 577 views, 25 minutes. The average person watched 25 seconds, of these billboards. And that's another thing. These billboards are extremely short. Okay, this billboarding pin strategy, these are really short videos. These are, you're not talking into anything. There's nothing, you don't have to show your face or anything. These are really short videos where you just straight to the point, ask them to click on the link to get the next part of whatever you're offering, be it an affiliate offer, be it your squeeze page, be it a CPA. Now, like I said, with some affiliate networks, with some, not all, you can direct link. You can use your affiliate link and send them over directly, or use a bridge page like I do with the video I have here, right? I have a bridge page here, and as you can see, the bridge page looks a lot like my Pinterest pin, right? You don't want to break the similarities between your Pinterest pin, video pin, and your bridge page. Okay. Again, you can use this to collect leads as well. That's one thing you can also do, or send traffic to affiliate product CPA offers and all that stuff. Okay. Now the third way to make $100 or more online is to do retargeted traffic in a very unique way. So once you start creating videos on your video channel, your niche channel, this works for any niche, by the way. You're gonna have playlists. Now these playlists, you're gonna have, of course, a topic about them, right? So let's say, for example, I'm making videos about Pinterest traffic, because I do Pinterest a lot. So I can go to my search bar here, put Pinterest, and in these videos, they're all about Pinterest traffic, converting on Pinterest. What I want to do is I want to start copying these link URLs to these videos. Go to my retargeting Google Ads audience manager, click add, click YouTube user, put in a name for this, Pinterest vids, for example. Then you want to go to list members, view certain videos, and you want to start adding these different types of videos, okay, that are in one category. Start adding them in to this specific type of retargeting list. Why? Because when there's a specific affiliate offer, or maybe you want to create a product or anything that has to do with one particular category, one particular niche, you can just start sending very, very cheap traffic. Okay, traffic that's already been exposed to you, traffic that is warm to your message, and you can start sending that traffic for cheap to that affiliate offer, to your very own offer, or whatever you like, right? So again, I'm creating a retargeted YouTube list of people who've seen a particular type of informational video. And this example was my Pinterest traffic, okay? And that's how you can get very, very, very cheap traffic using this strategy, okay? Now, when you create your list, you wanna also make sure that you go down here to membership duration, and you want to increase this to 540 days, right? That's the max amount of time you can have this list, and you can always be getting that traffic. Every time someone watches one of these videos, they get added to this retargeted list, and you can advertise to them later. Really cool stuff. Now I'm gonna actually create that. Okay, now a quick and easy way to fast track to profit online is to click the link below and to get IPassive. Now, IPassive is a tutorial by Mark Furness. I know the guy. I know when he had 0 subscribers on his channel. Now he's up to 50,000 and counting, okay? And we use a lot of the same strategies. He has case studies as well. And with the new methods for getting traffic, such as Pinterest billboarding and micro launch hunting, you're going to want to get my bonuses, because these are the bonuses down below. With IPassive, in conjunction with IPassive, you're gonna fast track your way to passive income online. Okay, now these are my bonuses that you could only get via my page down below. Like I said, I went through it, and you can get a full review of this course down below. I give you all of the step-by-step videos, what they're about, and why this course really delivers on what it promises. A fast track method to make it passive income online. If you have any questions, anything do you want to ask, let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, be good, take care, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.